Welcome to our museum display, Something from Nothing. We created Something from Nothing from the idea that while I was traveling in South Africa, I bought some tea bag art, which you can see there on the table, a little coaster. And the sign outside of the stand that was selling all sorts of different objects made from tea bags was the idea that a woman is like a tea bag. The longer she sits in hot water, the stronger she gets. And somehow I always just carried that with me. So then that got us thinking about how women around the world supplement their income in the informal economy by making handicrafts or selling food or selling vegetables and fish in the marketplace in order to support their children or pay school fees to send them to school. So we started to kind of encompass different artifacts from the informal economy, not necessarily from women, although most of these pieces are. So I also really like the idea that giving people a hand up instead of a hand out. So for example, Smateria, which created the bag that you see on the left hand side, used recycled materials, and their little NGO company grew and grew, and they have quite a lot of employees now who all know how to sew, and they all know how to create bags and school bags and pillows and all sorts of stuff out of recycled material. And that grew until there was a school for kids and daycare. So that's really something that I was happy to see. Sometimes when you give people a hand up instead of a hand out, it is really life altering, and I think that's always where my mind goes when I'm assisting people that are not as privileged as me. The township picture that you see is from South Africa, and again it was made as a handicraft with recycled materials. And I hope that you've learned something new and given a thought to the idea that we were trying to convey. Thank you. Bye.